Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade US dollar versus Swiss franc. We have not traded this pair for a long time. Here we will use the resistance become support strategy and make good profit from it. I hope you all can get good information from the video. Here I am applying the trade according to my risk. See you guys after some time. Guys, I have deposited $3,000 in this account. Right now we are incurring a loss of around $500. Let's see how much we can grow this account. Here we will follow proper risk management and strong psychology. Only through this we can achieve our goal. Let me explain you now why I placed the buying trade here. The current strong trend of the market is uptrend, due to which a very good buying opportunity has been created here. Here we will first create a trend channel. We will connect this trend line at higher low points. Right now the market is following this trend line. This trend line has to be drawn perfectly because all future analysis will be based on this trend line. We will take another trend line and connect it with same angle at higher low points. This will give us an idea of where the market can reverse downwards. The market is moving upwards in this strong uptrend channel, forming a proper price action pattern. The market has just taken support on this trend line, due to which we applied for buying trade here because we were getting entry at the right place. Here we will draw strong support resistance level to get further signals for this trade, which will give us the exact market position. The market has created multiple support resistance patterns at this level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. You can see at these points that the market first took resistance and later turned it into support, due to which a resistance became support pattern has been created here, which is a strong uptrend pattern. You will easily see such patterns in the uptrend of the market. High percentage chance that the market will go up from here. Here our levels have been drawn perfectly. Now you will draw more levels like this, so that it will be easy for you to understand the market structure. For this I am using rectangle tool. The market has created a same pattern at this level as it has done at the higher level. Here also the market first took resistance and later broke this level and made support, due to which a strong uptrend pattern has been created here. We will create another pattern of this type here. At this level also the market has created a resistance become support pattern. This type of pattern tells us that the market is following a strong uptrend. Our analysis work is complete. Now we place stop loss and profit target, which is very important. My stop loss will be 9 pip below the strong support resistance level and outside the uptrend channel. As soon as the market hits the stop loss we will close all our trades. And the profit target will be 18 pip above where the market can create a new higher high. We have to hold this trade till the take profit level, only then we can achieve our goal. Guys, our loss has reduced compared to before, which is now around $100. We will soon see this loss in profit. Let's place a stop loss and profit target. Guys, all our analysis work is complete. Now we have to stay patiently in the market because we don't know where the market will go next. So we have to be patient and not close the trade in between before the stop loss or target is hit. Otherwise we cannot achieve the big goal. To achieve big goals in the market you will have to follow strong psychology, which is a difficult task. But after practicing it for some time this task becomes easy. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more.
Nice move guys. The market has hit our profit target very well. The market has gone up with very big candles, due to which we have got to see very good moves. We were expecting this move, which the market made us achieve. The market has moved upwards here, forming a proper price action pattern. Currently due to excessive buying in the market, profit booking is happening, due to which the market is coming down rapidly. Our profit target was at this level, which has been hit. Now the market is moving downwards quite fast. Now I will explain the market pattern to you by drawing the next level. Here first of all I will fix this trend channel because there has been a slight change in the market price, due to which there has been a difference in the trend channel. Here we will now draw a strong support resistance level, for which I am using the rectangle tool. At this level the market is again creating a resistance become support pattern, which is an uptrend pattern. With such a pattern you can easily find out in the market what is the trend of the market and in which direction it will move. Such patterns are strong patterns. Now we close the trade. Guys, we are making a profit of more than $3,000 here. We had deposited $3,000 in this account, which has grown to $6,500. We have doubled this account using simple trend following strategy. The strategy is very simple and easy. If you got good knowledge from this video, then like and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.